Here's a 2015 Honda Odyssey. You have responsibilities, that's why you have an Odyssey. You like to have fun, that's why you drive a Honda. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Auto-dimming rearview mirror, HOMELINK, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, V6 engine, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth hands-free link, external memory control, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and refrigerated box located in the console. Car and Driver points out the Honda Odyssey has long been our favorite minivan, going beyond utility and practicality to inject a semblance of driving enjoyment into the segment. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Contact Jim Ellis Volkswagen of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.